At Sterling, our integrated global facilities enable us to support our customers' specialized requirements at every stage of the life cycle. Welcome to our North Carolina, U.S. site, which specializes in early phase development and manufacturing. Let's take a closer look at 5 things you should know about our North Carolina facility. Our North Carolina site delivers extensive expertise in preclinical and early phase clinical supply. With 7 state-of-the-art laboratories for research, development, analytical chemistry, and GMP synthesis. The site is licensed for GMP manufacturing. With 3 GMP synthesis laboratories supporting our team in producing high-value, low-volume APIs, including those with specialized or challenging manufacturing requirements. The site can successfully support projects from milliliter scale up to 200-liter batches. The North Carolina site provides extensive analytical and quality control expertise. Equipped with world-class analytical equipment and a team of experienced analysts, the team in North Carolina offers GLP analytical services from method development to validation. The site also supports both solid phase peptide synthesis and liquid phase peptide synthesis and purification, with the expertise and specialized equipment to establish and optimize parameters for peptide development and manufacture. The North Carolina site is approved to handle Schedules 1 through 5 controlled substances. By harnessing stringent security controls and continuous monitoring, we support early phase controlled substance projects while ensuring continued regulatory compliance. Finally, the site sits at the center of small molecule innovation located close to North Carolina's Research Triangle and connected to Sterling's other world-class facilities throughout our global network. The North Carolina site provides robust early phase expertise to set customers up for long-term project success. The team at Sterling's North Carolina site supports complex early phase requirements with extensive expertise and close scientific partnership. Visit sterlingpharmasolutions.com to learn more.